Salutations, everyone, and welcome to Roach's Joint. What's Roach's Joint, you might ask? It's where I look at memes, and I share memes with you and just things I find on the internet. But before we get into today's video, I gotta plug our new t-shirt. The Artistic Anomalies Hopeless Rainbow shirt. There was a part where she was supposed to interrupt me right here and say that she designed it because she designed it. All hats off to her. But I was going to try to do something funny, but I guess she thought what I just did was funny. So we're not going to do that part. So let's go ahead and get into today's video, guys. Every time me and my wife sit down, she takes a picture of her food and she sends it to all of her friends. And I know everyone I see it all the time. But there's a magical place. And that place is the shitty food porn subreddit, where we see creations that aren't so delectable. So, first, today we're going to start off with a little how-to cooking video on making the greatest creation ever, spaghettiO pie. And when I was editing this video and trying to figure out how to put it together, I watched some how-to videos on YouTube, and they said that when I start the video, I should put in headphones so I know where to edit. And so I'm going to watch it at the same time as you, so I'm going to press play right here, and then we'll just talk about it as it goes. Alright, so we're going to play now.
This right here was my favorite whenever I was growing up. Oh, man, yeah.
I never ate anything like that.
That out of there. You really want to layer it out really good.
She's popular, right?
Put the meatballs. Sometimes they all go to one side. You want to spread them out as much as you can. Just get them nice.
Okay. He made a great point right here. You got to spread out the meatballs. You don't want all your meatballs in your spaghettiO pie in one spot. So spread those meatballs out.
Cheez-Its is a really big must whenever you do the spaghettiO pie. You just want to sprinkle a generous amount because they're gonna get a little soggy. So you want to kind of make them, let's just not be scared of it.
It's a lot of Cheez-Its.
Get them in there, get them good and stirred up.
So he's gonna mix the
Cheez-Its
with,
gives it that good cheese flavor. Gives it a crunch too.
SpaghettiOs.
So we're done with that.
Alright.
And then you just want to kind of take your butter. Butter is a big must. Like butter. If you're going to do this, butter is something that you definitely got to have. Alright. Take the butter, put it over here on the bread.
Okay, so
big strips of butter. You got to really get that in there. Big strips of butter. Put that on all over that bread.
No.
Oh yeah.
No.
Get that on it.
That is way too much butter.
Let's kind of smush it with your arm, kind of like a.
Oh no.
Put that one back there. Put that bread. Just kind of mush it with your arm. Roll it real good. It's really good if you have big arms.
Stop. He's pressing it with his arms. No. I mean, you got arm hairs, and I guess if you were to shave your arm beforehand and really, but no, guys. I don't care what he said in the video. If you're making your very own spaghettiO pie at home, please not use your arm to mash it down. Like, maybe put it in some saran wrap and get like a rolling pin and roll it out. Don't press it with your arm. But we'll keep watching.
Having big arms is definitely a plus whenever you're making this spaghettiO pie.
He does have really big arms.
Really flat.
I'll give him that.
Crust off. See, kids don't like crust. That's the thing the kids don't like. They don't really like crust.
I actually like crust.
Cut that crust.
Crust is some of my favorite part. I mean, even when it's buttery.
Easy like
Yeah.
that. We're gonna add another can of spaghetti.
Okay, another can of SpaghettiOs, guys. The first three cans of SpaghettiOs. Is he gonna eat all this by himself? Is he gonna share this?
Really good.
He needs to. I hope he shares this.
You want to get it
Oh,
layered on there really, really good. I know it sounds a little nasty, but you really want to just put a little bit of brown sugar just for that crust. You want to have a little sweet with the salt.
brown sugar. Nope.
Just put that brown sugar all over that.
Brown sugar with SpaghettiOs and Cheez-Its.
You want to rub that in real nice and easy.
Okay, so he did not preheat the oven.
A bit of milk on there.
Oh God! Oh God! No! He poured fucking milk on it. I'm sorry.
This is so good. Dude.
I'm sorry for the profanity, but he just poured fucking milk on that. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! 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 No!
That's why that's sweet. Just like my grandma used to make this stuff.
All right, guys. I hope you enjoyed how to make SpaghettiO pie. Came across old buddy on Facebook, and he was making SpaghettiO pie. And I know I've been forgetting to pick up the microphone throughout the videos, so if the audio's not there like it should be, I don't care. I'm not going to re-record it. Well, guys, I'm Roach. This is my joint. We'll see you guys next time.